I'm going to show you how to fix a carburetor. First, my grandpa is having troubles with his ATC. So he'd turn it on when he closed it, and it would run just fine. And then when he turned it off, it would die. Then he tried the adjustable screws. This one was to raise or lower the idle. Then, and this one determined the air and gasoline mixture. And that neither worked. So he called me in. I've already showed you what was the problem. Now I'm going to show you the tools. Here is the Phillips tool, the flat tool, the flat screwdriver, the socket, the tool that turns the socket. Oh, the socket's a 7mm. The pliers and the wire brush. You'll need all these tools for the project. First, you'll have to take the carburetor off the ATC. First, you will turn this to let all the gasoline out. Then, you will take it off the ATC. Then, you're going to take off these two Phillips screws. You'll need the Phillips screwdriver for this job. Then I'll take the other one off. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Here are the three basic parts of the carburetor. Here is the main jet, here is the pilot jet, and here is the float. The problem is probably with the pilot jet. We'll need the flat screwdriver for this. There we go. For the pilot, for the pilot jet, you'll need to go left. Here's the pilot jet of our carburetor. You should lift it up and see if there's a little light. If it's not, then you will get the pliers and pull one out. Here is one. You'll stick it through the hole. And if it doesn't go through, try twisting it. And then get the pliers to hold it while you twist. And then there's two holes that go this way and two holes that go that way. Fix those ones too. it's probably not the problem, but if it's a part, it's you might as well check. Socket and the tool that goes with the socket, and you'll take the second part of the screw out. Now look through the hole, and if you see light, it's good. This time there 5 holes this way, 5 holes this, and this, that go this way. Once you get everything all cleaned up, you can put it back together, and it should run fine again.